Okay, so the first thing here is you've got this huge lot. So this is a well over 6,000 square foot lot. I think it's 6,400 square feet. So that does extend all the way to the bark that you see there. It's the front of the house here. Nice tile roofs, nice craftsmanship. Now, an idea I have here is maybe finishing this off with a circular driveway. That might be a nice idea. Give you some extra parking, and maybe even do like a courtyard area here and capture as much of this front yard as you can, and make it another outdoor living space. You know, get a nice wrought iron fence there, nice entry. You can have your patio courtyard. All right, so here's the front of the house. You got a little porch area here. Let's go on in. So this here's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and it's 1,640 square feet. Just excuse my open house clutter on the table there. You've got a nice living space here. Perfect for entertaining. Again, if you had that outdoor courtyard area, you could actually enjoy all of that out front even more. You have a gas fireplace with the starter on the wall there. This would be your dining area. And then here you've got your kitchen, which has quite a few nice features. Got the nice modern look to it. Got the nice backsplash. These are quartz counters, all maple cabinets. They're actually nice because they're the no slam cabinets. So you can't slam them, they're the quiet close. Same with your cabinets here. So that makes it nice. Got all this here. Got a very nice farmer's sink here, or farm sink. Brand new dishwasher. These are all Samsung appliances. All right, and then off the kitchen, you do have a little pocket door here that you can use. And then you've got this laundry area here, which is nice, right off the kitchen. So this is downstairs also. So you've got your connections here. And then you've got a nice little, again, another porcelain sink, quartz counter. Let's check out the garage. So your garage is all finished. 2-car garage. Tankless water heater, so you're all set there. And the electrician did say that you're all set for an electric vehicle here. You've just got to pop in your connection, but it is wired for it out to the electrical panel, which is just behind this wall here. All right. Let's go ahead and go back, and we'll get to the backyard in a moment. Take another walk through here. All right. So if you're looking for a really nice beach community, this is it. Oceano is just about 5 minutes from the water, or at least where this house sits. And you've got a nice location here that would be able to drive to the water. So here's the side yard off the hallway. Got your gate entrance there. So you could do like a little side yard here, dog run, or even a area to put a raised garden bed back there, something of that sort. So over here, you've got off the hallway, put the light on there for you. This is going to be your half bath or powder room, however you call it. is also got some extra storage underneath the stairwell there. So very nice. And at the end of the hall, do have another hall closet here, nice coat closet. Now this takes you into your primary bedroom, which is a fairly good size. Give you a nice look here at the entire bedroom. Let's see here. And this goes out to your patio here. And a sliding glass door to get out to the backyard. Nice window there. These are all Milgard windows, by the way. And the home does come with a 10-year home warranty, the new build. So that's nice. Let's get a little walk around in the closet here for you. Nice built-in shelving, all ready for you to move in. And here you've got the primary bedroom. Again, this primary bedroom, what's nice about this home is it's on the main floor. And there's your nice, beautiful shower. Pretty much a step-in shower. Beautiful tile work on the back of that. Give you a look at the bottom. And here you've got a nice look of the double vanity. Again, just a very nice primary bathroom there for you. Now let's go out to the backyard. Well, yeah, let's go out to the backyard since we're here. Check this out. So one of the great features I like about this particular backyard is, one, it is large. You've got plenty out front, so you can have a living space out front. But then you've also got this privacy here. You've got this entire back area of the yard here. And notice your neighbors. There's a set there. No one here looking down on you. You've got that there. You could get a couple of those big Costco umbrellas. Instant privacy there. Another giant one here for instant privacy here. And you've got your nice, beautiful private courtyard type of backyard. This is a nice look of the back of the house. You've probably seen this on MLS, this angle. So another nice thing I noticed is it is plumbed for gas here. So you could even have a nice, awesome outdoor kitchen, fire pit, pizza oven, anything that one of the chefs in the house might like, of course, but really able for you to set up a nice entertainment area out here as well. So let's go back in. And now what I'm going to do is just walk upstairs. I want to show you something I really love about this. I mean, there's just a lot to like about this place. Like I said, you've got that ground floor bedroom bath. I'll just pan up here. So this is your stairwell. Got some nice floors. Come on up. And up here, more storage. Another coat closet for you. Stairwell we just came up. And this takes you, you've got some linen closet storage here. Pretty deep. All your linens. And you've got a nice hall bath here that's shared by two of the bedrooms that are up here. So again, very nice setup there. You got one bedroom here. Oops, let me show you the closet. Sorry for moving around so quick. This one has a little bit of shelving in here. This room has a bit of a view looking out towards Wadsworth, Pismo Beach. You get the night lights. And then here you've got a nice view of Halcyon, which is located out here. That ridge of eucalyptus that you see there is actually the pike, or lines right along Arroyo Grande. This is South Elm here that you took to get here. And this brings you into Terrace, into this development. So this most likely will get like the morning sun, kind of get a sunrise view, if you will. Give you a little shot of the lighting. So that's one bedroom, kind of the sunrise bedroom. And then if you needed views of the water or a peek of the water, then this is the room. This room has peeks of the dunes. Now this is a nice open area here that's also available. Really nice to come and enjoy, hang out with the family. You always see families out there, people walking their dogs. Really nice little neighborhood here. I'm just gonna set this down for a second. Try to zoom in for you on the dunes. You can see them off in the distance. A little harder to capture on camera, but when you're here, nice. It's a lot better look, of course. Kind of see them off in the distance. And that horizon between the palm trees is your ocean view. So really nice. And as you get out this way, that looks over towards Pismo Beach area. So all in all, that's a nice little tour of the house. Give you a little look of the backyard from up here. Check that out. That's, you can just imagine a nice kitchen back there, nice barbecue area for entertaining. Those are your views on here. All right, so that's a nice little tour for you there of 2505 Terrace Sands. Hope you enjoyed it. Lots of nice features. Any questions, be sure to let me know. Don't forget on our YouTube channel to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We'll be doing updates like this, tours of homes, and also if you've got any, feel free to let me know and be happy to answer them for you. We're gonna try to do more features like this of home tours, open house tours that we're doing. Also, if there's any areas that you're interested in to take a look at, oops, get back up here on the camera. So if there's any areas you want to take a look at that are in the 5 cities or anywhere in Monterey County, San Luis Obispo County, Santa Cruz County, we've even got some things in Santa Clara going on. We've also got some in Santa Barbara that we've touched on. So I'm happy to take a look at these with you and take you on these tours. These are fun. It's a nice way to take a look at properties without actually having to spend the time to get out there. At least you get a nice preview of them. Hopefully you enjoyed that. We'll keep doing more of these. Thanks again. Take care.